Fug. I think I spend way too much time with watching porn. Maybe I will get GF if I stop it. But I will have to delete all my porn to go without the guilty pleasures. But how can I make it with all the porn on the internet?
Intranet.
Hello Dogloa. What would you like to masturbate today?
I must stop masturbating to find GF. The porn must get deleted.
Sodokola. I can't not allow to let your rupees.
Then stop and try this.
Hey hello, Dogola. I just wanted to tell you how sexy it was when you blowed up the internet's prom. Do you want in GF?
No.
All porn was re-uploaded after less than a month.